In front of me is Samsung Tab Active4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting any app to use in this view and accessing it in the background. To do that with Triggers navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Then click on the icon of an app available at the top and select Open in pop-up view. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this sign at the top and drag it. To resize it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it. To turn it into a bubble, click on Home button. And to use it again, click on the bubble. If you want to use more options of pop-up view, click on this line at the top and manage all of them. For example, by clicking on those 2 arrows pointing at each other, you can also change your window into a bubble. Now, to close your window, click on the same line and select this X on the right, or turn it into a bubble and drag it to remove section at the bottom. Then let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!